Okay, we're here today with an EcoTad, and we're going to be showing you how to install the rear motor for anybody that's gotten a kit or is having any problems with this. So one of the first things you're going to want to do is the little dropout spacers right here. You're going to want to file just the paint off the edges inside. I don't know if you can see right there. Just the paint is all we're taking off, just so the axle will slide up into place. Then when we go to put our motor in, you'll see the cable has a little groove down here underneath, so the cable will point down. We're going to want that to stay pointing down as we go to slide this up in place. So Donnie here is going to show us now how to get this up in there. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your hardware that belongs on the inside is on the inside, and that's going to be telling by this spacer right here. You're going to want that pointing down all the way in with your other one, and there will be nothing on this side. So you're going to remove all this hardware, let your other set of hardware here hang here, leave your chain loose, and then Donnie's going to show you now how to install the tire. So you'll see what he's doing over here is he's just orienting the chain into the right place, and he just slides the derailleur, manipulates it with his hand wherever he needs it to be until the axle will draw back into its slots. So now he's rotating the axle into the up and down position so it'll drop into the dropouts. So then he just drops the chain onto your sprocket here. Your derailleur should already be laced with your chain going through the proper way. So from here, now we're going to install our torque arm and our nuts on this side, and then we're going to put our hardware here. Just going to bring that up and bolt that back into place. So Donnie's going to show us how to install the torque arm real quick over on this side. So make sure when you put the torque arm on, your drop down is facing forward and your arm is curving upward. And we put our little tape here just to protect the paint when we put on our clamp. Alright, so now with our torque arm in place, we have our nut on here, we have our nut on over here, so you'll just want to crank them down, plug in the rest of your cables, and you should be good to go.